Lord, we come together like-minded to confront, overcome, and defeat human trafficking.
Slave to Nothing has also partnered now with all of Crest because our mission is one, to free anyone enslaved to any substance or person. In-N-Out Burger and our foundations will be behind you 100%.
So today announces publicly this initiative, first of its kind, and we're doing 7 drop-in centers, 2 in LA, 2 in Orange, 2 in Riverside, and 1 in San Diego. Each of the drop-in centers have a laundry machine. There's going to be food, computers, training, 24 hours, 7 days a week. So if a kid or a police officer or a shelter calls us and says, we have a child that has been sex trafficked, we will be there in Southern California.
So in dedication of all the work and the investment she's made in the lives of so many girls, we want to dedicate one of our cottages in honor of Sue Begley.
I'm so honored to be a part of all of Crest. It's been probably the most significant thing I've ever done in my life is being involved with all of Crest.
This generation of kids, with the things that even without trauma they're having to navigate, it's a whole new world, and they are so resilient. And if we can provide pathways to get them from where they are, the hand that they were dealt, to come out the other side, to get to where I am, to where you guys are, this world will benefit.